Good morning, guys. We have a situation here. We need to incorporate some changes in the design we submitted. I have marked the changes in these documents. These changes need to be incorporated ASAP. And we have 1 hour to revert. Since we are working on multiple platforms, getting it done is not a problem. But turnaround time is. That's the key. Okay then. Tell me, how do we go about the drawing inspection?
We introduced Markup Import and Markup Assist. With Markup Import, you can overlay a PDF or image file of hand-drawn or computer-drawn markups. And Markup Assist automatically identifies markups in the overlaid file and helps you insert them into the drawing.
And how fast can we link the correct drawing?
Choosing Append adds the text from the markup to the end of the selected text. Choosing Replace removes the existing text and adds the markup text.
Fantastic. And what about updating changes?
Text comments that are added to a PDF can also be inserted into the drawing.
Okay, one final thing, guys. How fast can we strike out text in this document?
Markup Assist recognizes strike-through text and allows you to erase or replace the text from a markup.
Wonderful. I guess the debate is settled. AutoCAD has been the savior. Now let me go ahead and confirm the timeline with the client. Let's get going. No other CAD alternatives come close. AutoCAD, trusted by millions.